You may have heard that many animals have fancy traits in males and know their purpose is to attract ladies. These traits evolved through sexual selection. It is considered as a form of natural selection because different traits affect how many mates an animal can get and further influence the total number of offspring. Sexual selection typically acts strongly on males. That's because in most sexual animals, females produce a few costly eggs, while males produce a great number of small sperms. So what limits the female's reproductive success is not the number of mates, but the quality of the eggs and how many babies she can bring up. For a male, he can have more offspring by mating with more females, so there's a competitive relationship between males. The ones who wins the sexual selection gets more chances to reproduce. There are reversed situations which are rare. In the seahorse, the male gives birth and takes care of the babies. This male expends a lot of energy in parental care and misses opportunities to mate, while the females can look for new partners. So the limiting factors are reversed and sexual selection acts stronger on females. Sexual selection acts in two forms, either within the competitive sex or between two sexes. Intrasexual selection is a competition between males over the territory or the females. Competing for territory is efficient when food is clustered because a strong male can occupy a resource-rich area and wait for foraging females. Competing for females is more efficient when females live in large groups. Like the elephant seal, the males have brutal fight during the breeding seasons. The dominant male is surrounded by females. The second place has a smaller chance to mate. Others may not have offspring for the whole life, while the stronger ones can have up to 90 over the lifetime. Some are not satisfied with being a loser. They may sneak into the crowd without being noticed and mate with a female. This is one of the alternative mating strategies used by males not so good at fighting. Similarly, in the bluegill, a weaker male may have the appearance of a female. When a strong male is not being watchful, this sneaker would fertilize his partner's eggs and runs off. Intersexual selection is also called female choice. In some species, females value direct benefits, such as the good territory, nice nest, or tasty presents. But some choices bring indirect benefits. That is, the offspring with a high-quality male may inherit the high quality. Females often have preferences of certain visual or acoustic signals. Many species' fancy patterns or bright coloration are examples of viral signals. These ornaments may seem useless, but they can reflect the quality of the male. Some show whether the male is free of parasites, or healthy enough to spare energy for growing the ornaments. Some coloration indicates whether he has adequate access to food. Some traits make survival harder, so the males who make through it should be strong enough. Many species not only have the ornaments, but also use motions to enhance the visual signal. For the acoustic signal, many frogs, insects, and songbirds are choosy of male songs. Take the song sparrow for example. Females find males who can sing more song types more attractive. This preference may help the females select well-developed males, because if a male has sufficient nutrition at an early age, he would likely to learn more songs. The traits that females choose on should honestly reflect the conditions of males. Not everyone can produce these traits, or they won't be maintained during the evolutionary process. But in humans, it's a different story. Whether you are strong or not, just a new hairstyle can sometimes make you more popular.